Welcome to CAD 36. We will see how to make a sheet metal drawing. A small sheet metal drawing, and we will see the flattened view also. This is how it looks. Okay. So this is our drawing, and we will see the dimension also. So the overall length to be 110 and height is 50 and this is 10 and diameter is 10 and overall thickness is 1 mm. The width is 35 mm and the flatten also, this is the way it looks. Okay. We'll do first this portion, second one this, and third to be this slot. Okay. We'll start the drawing. So go to front plane, sketch, go to sheet metal and select the base flange tab. Okay. So what we start the drawing, it is in the sheet metal itself. Okay. So go to sketch and start drawing. Just draw the profile same as it is and make it equal relation these two and these two equal. We will define some relation, so it will be very easy. Then extrude up to 35 and the thickness to be 1 mm thick. Okay. And we no need to change any radius, but it is given there 2 mm radius, so we change to 2 mm radius. So we'll select the edge flange. We need in upward, so select this and go to edit flange profile. So here you can edit the profile. So we can edit the profile. So go to the dimension, but we no need that line, so we need an arc there. So go to arc and make a arc there, 3-point arc. Now go to dimension and make a dimension. Okay, this length to be 10 mm and this radius to be 5 mm radius. Okay, and we need to have one center line. So our drawing, it is not fully defined. Select this center point and this center line, make coincident. Okay, so our drawing is defined now, but still we need some more dimension. We need to give the height. Height is 10 mm. See, now it is fully defined. So finish the profile. We'll add the circle also. It is already there in the drawing. So in the same time we'll add it. The diameter is 5 mm. So finish the drawing. Okay, it is done here. The same way we will mirror it. Okay, so go to feature and select your plane. Go to mirror. We don't have the plane there, so we will create the plane to mirror the flange. So select these two surface, so we will get the mirror. We will get the plane in the middle surface, middle area. So select this plane and you can mirror the feature. So this is the feature. Okay, so select the feature and mirror. Okay, it is done. The same way we need to have a base flange also. Okay, we'll add the flange there. So go to sketch, So we have not given the dimension here, so we'll add the dimension. The overall length to be 110, okay, and this height to be 50 mm, okay, and this to be 35 mm, 31 mm. This length is 31 mm, okay. So our drawing is in the same dimension, okay. So select the surface and sketch and make a rectangle. Draw it anywhere, okay. No need to worry, you will adjust. So we are not getting the center, proper center, just move it down and make a line from the center and make it horizontal center construction line. So select this face and this face, this midpoint, make coincident. So now it is matching, okay. So we need to adjust something, so we will add some dimension. This dimension to be 10 mm, and we have to remove this line and make this 10 mm thick, 10 mm line, 10 mm, actually this is 10 mm length, make it equal. So make a arc, 3-point arc, and make a arc. So the radius is 5 mm and make a circle. So make a circle there. The circle is 5 mm dia. Okay. The same way we have to extrude link to thickness. Okay. So it will link to the thickness. What is our thickness? 1 mm. So it will link to the thickness. Okay, it is done. Again the same way we need to mirror. So select the plane first. We have to select this time, not this plane. So we have to create the plane. So select this face and select this face. So it will create the middle plane. So this way we can create the plane and select the plane 2 and select the object. Okay, this is the feature to mirror. It is done. So hide the planes and see, this is the sheet metal drawing. It's for the beginner, simple drawing. For the practice more, so you get it more easier. So this is the flattened view. The same way, this is the flattened view and this is our front view. Okay. And we need one more hole there. So go to sketch, select the face and make sketch. Then make a circle and give some dimension. It is 25 radius. 10 hole. Dia 10 hole. So go to 10 hole and we have to define the length, height of the hole. So that is 25. But still it is not defined. So make a center line. This make a construction line. So it is defined now. So go to extrude, exit the sketch. Go to extrude cut. Okay. So go to extrude cut. We can give up to through all, no problem. Then exit. So we have done almost. This is the way. So we have done the drawing. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed, subscribe our channel. Like the video.